These three have been an absolute lifesaver, and I've been using them non-stop every single day, and my hair just feels so luscious and smooth. It's a secret product that helps give you that luscious, smooth effect. One of my favorites. Hey everyone, it's Katie from Luxe Team, and today we're going to dive into the world of hair care, and I'm going to show you 3 of the D'Arrigan 101 hair treatment. So today we have the D'Arrigan hair oil, the Essence serum, and the heat protective primer to give your hair a smooth and even finish. You know the struggle, trying to find the right hair product that works well for you. Well, these 3 products work on all hair types. These 3 have been an absolute lifesaver, and I've been using them non-stop every single day, and my hair just feels so luscious and smooth from it. So let's dive right in and I'll show you how to use it step by step. So first of all, let's talk about the Advanced oil. This oil is perfect to put in your hair 10 to 15 minutes pre-wash, also after wash. And what I love so much about this oil is even after you finish styling it, you can touch it up and put some more in, and it will not leave your hair greasy at all. Let's move on to the hair essence. Now this is a very important and key step to your hair care routine, because this helps manage damaged and frizzy hair. And what I love so much about it is that it's very lightweight and it's not sticky at all. So I love to use this every day, and this is a very important, and it's a secret product that helps give you that luscious, smooth effect. One of my favorites. Lastly, this is the heat protective primer. Now this is literally like, imagine how you can't go out not wearing your SPF. This is the SPF of your hair. And what I love about this is it tames your frizz and it smells amazing. So yeah, this is also must for your hair care. Today is my hair wash day, so I'm just gonna quickly go wash my hair, and I'll be right back to show you step by step how to use each of these amazing products. It's me again. I left the hair oil in 10 to 15 minutes before I washed it, and then I made sure to thoroughly wash my hair twice, make sure I massage the scalp with shampoo. So now I'm back to show you how to use step by step these 3 hair products. Not only is this hair oil meant to be used pre-wash, I like to use it after wash too, as I've got quite frizzy hair. So I'm just gonna use 1 pump, because 1 pump goes a very long way. Just gonna massage it in, make sure it works better when you put some heat onto it as well. So I put it in my hair like this. You see a little goes a long way, and this makes your hair so smooth as well. I'm gonna move on to the hair essence. Now today I'm gonna be using this because I wanna give my hair a little extra smoothness and shine, and this is the product for it. So once again, this you only need half a squirt, but because my hair, I've got quite a lot of it, I'm gonna use 1 full, because this also goes a long way as well. And it smells so good. So once again, massage it in, give it a bit of warmth, and then I'm just gonna put it in my hair. I make sure I put it towards the ends, because that's where my hair's the most damaged as well. All right, once that's all in, I love how lightweight it is. Lastly, we're gonna finish off with the hair SPF. This is so important, especially even though you blow dry your hair, this is very important because you're still putting heat on, and we just like to keep our hair very protected as well. Now we're moving on to the Luxe Air Pro 2. Now this is honestly a game changer, and once you see what it does to my hair, you're gonna want it too. So I like to leave my hair 80% still wet, as I feel like it dries a bit better and it curls a bit better that way. And we're gonna be using these 2 barrels. And also for anyone that has more frizzy hair, I suggest you add half a pump of the essence oil, but I feel like my hair's okay for now, so I'll just add it in later I finish styling. Okay, so I finish curling and blow dry my hair. Now I'm gonna brush it out to give it a more natural, softer look. Just like that. So pretty, I love it. So as I mentioned, I like to finish off with some more hair oil after I finish styling my hair. So after I do this, then I'm ready to go out. So just gonna do half a pump because a little goes a long way. And this gives it a nice gloss, makes it smooth, like this. Do you see how it gives a nice, like, subtle shine and it makes it a lot more softer? Yeah, so I'm ready to go now. So let me wrap this up for you guys, no pun intended. The hair oil, which is for pre-wash, after wash, and if you like, what I do is after styling, just to touch up and give it that extra bit of shine, which is very nice. And then it's the hair essence, which this is really important for maintaining the frizz and the damage. This is very good too if you want to give your hair some extra smoothness, which is also very lightweight. And then also the most important out of all three of them, which is literally sun cream for your hair, heat protective primer, which this is, you make sure you put this on before you put any heat on your hair. Even if you're just blow drying your hair, this is the holy grail and very important. And before I go, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe down below, hit notifications, give this video a big thumbs up. Okay, bye!